Guys, today we're going to access about how search engine optimization will work and types of search engine optimization. So, has been involved. Now we will look into it. So, what is SEO? SEO is nothing but search engine optimization. It is nothing but a process which has been involved to increase the website or the page ranking position in the search results by following good SEO tactics like search engine optimization tactics. So this will help you to rank better and show you the better results. There are three different types of SEO. Now SEO is nothing but search engine optimization. See, we will check into it. So there are white hat SEO, black hat SEO and grey hat SEO. So now we will look into it, a black hat SEO. Why black hat SEO? So a black hat SEO which we don't follow the search engine guidelines or the algorithm updation. We are keep on doing that activities like malpracticing for the search engine. So there are few things which has been involved in black hat SEO. Let me check it. See, in black hat SEO where we don't follow search engine guidelines. One more thing, keywords we will stuff. We will make stuff in the keywords. And another thing, we are paying some other websites or the tool to get thousands of backlinks towards a website. That doesn't work. And duplicate content strategy. This also won't work. This is also the black hat tactics. And where's the hidden text, which will impact, which Google will consider as a black hat SEO. See, white hat, now this is the impact of the black hat. So now we will move into white hat SEO, how it will work and how it will impact. Let us see. And white hat SEO where we follow all the search engine guidelines, where we don't do keyword stuffing, where we don't pay for any website or the tool to get a backlinks. Here we don't follow duplicate content strategy. Here we don't make hidden text. These are all the things which we have been implemented in white hat. Now we move to grey hat SEO. A grey hat SEO is majorly looks like similar to black hat SEO. Initially search engine will detect this guy is doing some white hat and finally it converts to black hat SEO. That is the reason black hat, grey hat will impact your website very bad. It never makes you to rank well in the search results. Follow the white hat tactics or the strategies which work well for you, for your website or your service to rank well in the search results. Thank you.